In today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App. Now this can be done on your PC on the website, or it can be done on the app, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're using, but to start with, you want to head over to Prizepicks and just log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, it will look something like this, and we can actually go up to the top right corner and look for this little profile icon, and when we click on this arrow, it gives us a few more options. And since we're trying to withdraw money, we're just going to choose Request Withdrawal. Now when you click that button, you'll see a page like this, and as long as you actually go through the playthrough amount, you'll then actually have the option to withdraw your funds. And since we're trying to withdraw money to Cash App, we have two options. We can either choose to withdraw it to an online bank, or we can choose to withdraw it to a debit card. And if you choose an online bank, that means that you can simply put in your Cash App bank details, or if you choose to withdraw it to a debit card, you can withdraw it to your Cash App debit card by simply inputting that information. From there, you can confirm that all of that is correct, and it will then say withdrawal successful, and it will then be withdrawn into the method that you chose. So that's exactly how you can withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.